Hi, Tom Burden here for West Marine, and welcome to our Spring Prep headquarters. Spring Prep goes a long way beyond just painting the bottom. A detailed look at your electrical system helps assure you're fun on the water and prevents weekend ruining hassles during the whole season. It's always something with a boat, but you don't want that something to be a problem with your electrical system. Since most boats have both a 12 volt and 120 volt electrical system, there are twice as many opportunities for something to go wrong as with the wiring in your house, and electricity can be dangerous. That's why checking your boat's electrical system is a critical part of your spring prep routine. It's better to find the problem now than to discover on Memorial Day weekend that your batteries are dead, the navigation lights don't work, or worse. To begin your electrical inspection, start at the beginning with your shore power connections. It's a fact that the majority of dock power troubles can be linked to two simple problems with the cord set or the boat's power inlet: overheating and saltwater immersion. Check the male plug, the female connector, the power inlet, and the dockside power connections for signs of melting or other heat and corrosion damage. Be sure the sealing ring on the connector is not cracked. Replace the components immediately if you find any of these symptoms. Lots of boat fires start in the shore power system. Give your batteries some TLC. If necessary, reinstall the batteries. Top up the lead acid batteries with distilled water. Make sure that the batteries are fully charged. Clean and tighten the electrical connections, especially the terminals of the battery cables. Coat the battery terminals with an insulating film of grease, or apply protective battery terminal spray like CRC's Battery Terminal Protector. Be sure your batteries are tightly secured by a tie-down strap and in a proper battery box. Check your running lights. This is a good job for the end of the boat maintenance day, when it's dark and easy to see if they're all working. Clean and tighten all the connections, or replace the bulbs that you have to replace, and assure that they're all operating properly. Buy some spare bulbs and carry them on board. This is also a great place for me to mention LED bulbs. They're amazing reliability, low amperage, and cool operation. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, the LPG and gasoline fume detectors. If your boat's got an inverter, unplug from shore power and turn it on. Turn on a couple of AC loads too. Cycle your battery bank down a bit and check your battery charger. You should eventually turn on all the systems, make sure that all is well. Make a point of some detailed visual inspections everywhere you can look. Check around for loose wires or terminals that are damaged, have insulation problems, or wires that are in close proximity to a hot exhaust manifold. Anything that looks wrong. Check your VHF and GPS antenna connections by disconnecting and spraying them with a moisture displacing lubricant. Then reconnect and test. Test the bilge pump and the high water switches and alarms. For more information, go to our Spring Prep headquarters at westmarine.com and have a great day on the water.